When accessing OpenClaw remotely, you may sometimes encounter the device signature expired error. This is a fairly common issue, especially when using an SSH tunnel or accessing the Web GUI from another machine. In this video, I'll show you how to identify the cause and fix this error quickly and effectively. First, reopen the SSH Tunnel window that you are using to connect to your OpenClaw server. Next, run the date command to check the current time on the server. As you can see from the output, my OpenClaw server is using the UTC+7 time zone and shows the current date and time. Now, go back to your Windows machine and check the current time settings. However, as you can see, my Windows machine is using the UTC-8 time zone, which causes a mismatch with the OpenClaw server. So I will change the time zone back to UTC+7 to ensure both systems are properly synchronized. At the same time, I'll enable automatic time synchronization to ensure the system updates accurately based on the selected time zone. And now, the time on both the Windows machine and the OpenClaw server is fully synchronized. Finally, go back to your browser and access OpenClaw again to check if the issue has been resolved. That's it. Wish you success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.